the strongest solar storm in 7 years. The Sun has just released the most powerful solar flare of solar cycle 25, causing radio blackouts in some regions of the Earth. NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory, SDO, recorded a solar storm, geomagnetic storm, on October 1st, the strongest of cycle 25, and also the most powerful since 2017. The solar flare was classified as X9.0. In the solar flare classification scale, Class X is the strongest, followed by Class M, and the weakest classes are C, B, and A, with each class being at least 10 times more powerful than the one before. Within each class, the intensity is further detailed from 1 to 9, increasing in strength. This geomagnetic storm is believed to have been released from sunspot AR 3842. It caused radio signal loss and communication disruptions on the daylit side of the Earth at that time, according to IFL Science on October 5th. This sunspot is currently facing Earth and is emitting coronal mass ejections directed toward the planet where humans live. This solar storm affects communication systems, satellites, and electrical infrastructure, but experts believe it is manageable because we are aware of the approaching storm and know what to do. On a positive note, strong geomagnetic storms also produce fascinating auroras. Solar storms, also known as solar flares, are massive energy releases associated with sunspots. These spots appear darker because they are cooler than their surroundings, but possess much stronger magnetic fields. The magnetic fields in these regions can be about 2,500 times stronger than Earth's magnetic field, significantly stronger than the rest of the Sun. Solar storms are also linked to coronal mass ejections, CMEs, where charged plasma from the Sun is ejected at high speed into interplanetary space. This plasma can affect satellites and Earth's electrical infrastructure, as well as create stunning auroras in higher latitudes. Most geomagnetic storms are not dangerous, though strong ones can disrupt radio transmissions or damage power lines and other infrastructure. In 2022, a highly active region on the Sun emitted multiple large flares and coronal mass ejections, CMEs, signaling that the Sun was waking up after a quiet phase in its 11-year activity cycle.